Hello, assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to Elsutra'skitchen. Today, viewers, we're going to be making Kayan ciki, the inside stomach pepper soup. And we're going to be making it as colorful as it looks, as yummy as it is. If you are here to subscribe to Elsutra'skitchen, kindly do so you don't miss any of our videos. To start off our recipe, we're going to be adding all the stomach that we needed for this pepper soup. And now we're going to be adding all our spices needed. For this chili pepper I added, it included the nutmeg in it, it has the cloves and it has the ginger as well. And for the herbs I'm using is also a homemade which contains a lot of different kind of herbs, including chili flakes, rosemary, cilantro, lemon powder, so different kind, anything that will make your pepper soup smells good and takes the smells away, you're good to go. I love the smell of scotch bonnet in my pepper soup, so I'm adding it and a lot of onions and fresh thyme as well. Allow your stomach to cook for about 40 to 50 minutes. If you can, let it stay for an hour on the fire, because the stomach, especially the tripe, it takes a long time to cook. And we're going to be blending our tomatoes, scotch bonnet, bell peppers, and our onions. So I divided the sauce in half because I don't need all of it. So I'm just using half of the sauce here, and I'm going to be using also half of the stomach that we boiled, because half of it I'm going to fry it. Thank you so much for watching until the end. Please subscribe and share with your family and friends. Goodbye for now.